Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on CAD/CAM with GV. In today's video we're going to design a Vise spindle. Let's start by adding a sketch. First we are going to draw a center line, make it as construction and infinite length. Add lines simulating the profile of our spindle. And then, let's put some dimensions. First diameter, 16.5 mm. Shaft diameter, 20 mm. Center relief, 18 mm. Length, 10 mm. Distance to center, 182 mm. Total length, 364 mm. Relief length, 20 mm. Distance to center, 8 mm. Make these two lines collinear. We can also put a 0.8 mm chamfer by 45 degrees on these edges. Close sketch. Select Revolved Boss. Click OK. Now, let's create the hexagon cut. Add a sketch to the end of spindle. Put a circle at same size of shaft, and then, use the polygon function to draw a hexagon. Give a dimension of 15 mm. Select Extruded Cut and give a depth of 14 mm. Next, create another sketch on same surface. This time, create an hexagon of size 5 mm. Make an extruded cut of 10 mm. Let's add some chamfers to the remaining sharp edges. Now it is time to add the thread profile. Pick up the thread function. First you will need to specify an edge. Select the outer diameter. Notice that the thread fillet starts after the selected edge. This will create an imperfect thread. To fix that, let's add an offset of 2 mm, shifting the beginning of our thread. Check thread length, make it 165 mm. Flag the cut thread box as well. Repeat the process for the opposite side, but this time, it will be a left-hand thread as our vise has a self-centering motion. Now let's just add some appearance to our spindle to make it look similar to the real part. I'm going to add a machined steel appearance and make the color slightly dark yellow. That's it, our Vise spindle is ready. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you soon.